world. Canines are one of the most valuable tools for law enforcement, but a new ruling by the Supreme Court is influencing the way dogs can be used to search for drugs. News 8's Pauline Lee joins us live in the studio with a closer look.
Well, drug-sniffing dogs have such a keen sense of smell that they can detect odors and drugs that humans may not be able to. But now law enforcement officers, that is, may have to be a little more careful on how they use the dogs to protect the community while following the law.
What's in it? Get it out of there.
For about the past year, canines Mick and Lars have been valuable tools for the Vernon County Sheriff's Department.
Good boy. He's tracked people that have run from us. He's helped find lost people. We found numerous narcotics together, so it's been quite the adventure together. Oh boy.
But now a new Supreme Court ruling earlier this week may limit the way the dogs can be used in the field. The decision stems from a situation in Florida where police brought a drug dog onto a property without a warrant, and the dog smelled drugs. Officers then used that information to get a search warrant. The court said that violated the homeowner's rights. Sheriff John Spears says the court's decision holds the department more accountable in similar situations.
If any law enforcement agency has a case involving those same situations, you know what that ruling is now. Even when we may be in a situation where we can go solely on a canine or solely on a person's information, if we have the opportunity and the time to obtain a search warrant, that just makes it so much more solid.
And these deputies say tapping into other search techniques is just as important to keep the community safe.
You're going to do more investigating. You're going to look at light bills. You're going to look at, do maybe a couple controlled buys out of the place, and then you're going to, get the search warrant. Maybe use the dog to maybe build that into your report. The dog's there for a tool, so we'll use it.
Good boy.
And throughout their time working with the Vernon County Sheriff's Department, the sheriff says the canines have detected drugs just about every week they've been on the job.
All right, thank you, Pauline. This is the second Supreme Court decision made this year on the use of drug-sniffing dogs. The court ruled earlier extensive records aren't needed in order to use the dog's work in court.